Hello and welcome students to a new video of English 1. The title of this chapter is The Roasted Beans. What are the roasted beans and what is this chapter all about? Let's move further into the video and find out. Let's discuss what are roasted beans actually and what is this chapter all about. Roast means to dry simmer the food materials till it loses its moisture. This chapter entirely covers everything about the most popular beverage of the world, that is coffee. We will get to know how coffee is discovered, how coffee was discovered, how is it produced and refined and bought till our cups. Now let's read. Centuries ago in Ethiopia, Khaldi, a goat herder, discovered coffee. He found that after eating the fruits from a coffee plant, his goats could not sleep all night. The paragraph says that hundreds of years ago in Ethiopia, in a place named Khaldi, there was a goat herder. He was the first one who discovered coffee. One day, when he was out with his goats herding them, his goats accidentally ate fruits of the coffee plant, and he was amazed to see that his goats could not sleep all night. He discussed this matter to other people, and later on, they found that the fruit of the coffee plant had a very strong smell and taste, and properties that prevented sleep. The coffee plant has a rough and whitish bark. It grows around 6 to 12 feet high. It's not a very short tree. It has branches which bear coffee fruits. The most important part of the plant is the coffee bean. It is found inside the fruit of this plant. When the blossoms of the coffee plant fall off, a small green fruit grows at its place. It becomes dark red as it ripens like cherry. It tastes very good. The paragraph says that when the coffee plant bears small flowers on its branches, these little flowers fall off after some time, and at the same place they bear green fruits. And gradually, with the time, these fruits ripen and turn into deep dark red color. They appear like cherry. It tastes very good. Still, coffee is not made from this fruit. It is produced from the seed of the fruit. The coffee bean is the seed of the fruit. It is covered by its pulp. Each fruit contains two seeds. The seeds are rounded on one side and flat on the other side. The seeds lie with the flat sides together. When the fruits are ripe, they are plucked by hands. The farmers or the workers of the coffee farm, they pluck these fruits by hands and are collected. The seeds are then separated from the fruits. That means each coffee fruit is opened, the pulp is removed, and the seeds are separated from the fruits. Later on, before the seeds can be used, it is roasted. During roasting, it produces a lot of aromatic oil. After the seeds are separated from the fruits, these seeds are taken into big containers where these seeds are roasted on. The more the oil is released, the higher is the market value of the coffee. The market value of the coffee, or the amount at which the coffee will be sold in the market, is determined by the amount of oil it releases during roasting. During roasting, the seeds of the coffee beans actually produce a lot of vapor. This vapor is synthesized. Oh, disgusting. The more the oil is released, the higher is the market value of the coffee. The market value of the coffee, or the price at which the coffee will be sold in the market, is determined by the amount of oil it releases while roasting. When the coffee beans are roasted, they produce a lot of vapor. This vapor is then synthesized and converted into oil. These oils have very sharp smell. Higher the amount of oil is produced by the coffee bean, it is higher is the rate of the coffee. After the coffee is roasted, it is ground into fine powder. Once it is roasted and ground, it loses its aroma very quickly. After the coffee beans are roasted, the coffee beans are crushed and ground into fine powder. This powder is profoundly known as coffee powder, which we use at our homes. Once it is roasted and ground, it loses its aroma very quickly. Once it has been ground into fine powder, it's no longer very aromatic. It has a strong taste but a little smell. There are several varieties of coffees that are very popular in the world. Let's read each one. What sort of coffees are popular? The most finest variety of coffee is produced in the Republic of Yemen. The Republic of Yemen produces one of the finest varieties of coffee in the world. It is called as mocha. The Java coffee from the East Indies is also very popular. The beans are quite difficult to obtain. Rio coffee from South America is easily available and is consumed by most people in Europe and America. And when we talk about India, in India, coffee is produced in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and in the northeast. Coffee beans or coffee powder is not only used to make coffee, but they are also used to make several other things also. Like cocoa powder can be used to bake cakes, to make cookies, to make chocolates, which you all eat very fondly. Plus, cocoa powder or coffee powder is used in several cosmetics. Hi everyone, I hope I made this chapter interesting as well as informative for you all. That was all for today's lecture. Thank you so much.